Hi my dear friends, this is your Ravi Pratap. In this video, I would like to sing a rhyme of second class, first unit. That is, just like this. Very nice song that is. The monkeys are jumping just like this and just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. This is a lyric of the song. See, we have to add the lines. As per the discourse oriented pedagogy, we must have to accustom the students to add some words, add some lines of their own. Now, I would like to sing that song on my keyboard. Okay. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stomping just like this, just like this. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stomping just like this, just like this. La 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 la. Okay, now we have to add the lines. The frogs are hopping just like this, just like this. The birds are flying just like this, just like this. The camel are walking just like this, just like this. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are bumping just like this, just like this, just like this. Thank you. Because teacher is an actor, teacher is a singer. In short, teacher is a virtuous person with all skills. We can make the students, particularly small children, very, very happy with our innate abilities, with our skills. That is only the main objective of discourse oriented pedagogy for primary level. Thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel so far, please subscribe to my channel. It is nothing but encouraging my skills. And at the same time, you feel happy with this video, please share it, like it, and comment on it. Thank you very much.